Hi, in this video, I'll share with you some of the insights about an effective executive. So, this book was recommended to me by my manager, and I'm very grateful that he shared this book with me. I've learned a lot from this book, and I've broken down some of the insights into more details in more videos that you can find. But, like, this is a summary insight video. This book is excellent and it applies to a lot of people and teams and managers who are in the knowledge industry. By knowledge industry, I mean people who are not necessarily measured based on the number of units of work that they produce, but more from getting the right things done, and who are, who have a different need. They have a different psychological need, satisfaction need. They are self empowered. And a lot of work right now is knowledge work. So this book is for knowledge workers and for effective leaders who are leading these knowledge workers. And to empower these knowledge workers to be effective, the executive or the leader or the manager needs to be effective. That's the core of this book. If you want to improve your contributions, you have to improve the contributions of the leaders to make them effective so that everyone else in the team is effective. The biggest insight that I took out of this book is staff your team with strengths. For projects and opportunities that you see that you need to get done, use the best people for the job. Give the best people the best opportunities and train your people so that they could also get some of those projects. And so, working around some of the weaknesses, staffing with strengths was the biggest insight from this book. The other big learning for me was I realized that a lot of my time was being wasted, and I only found out by tracking my time. That was another tip from this book, is to track where your time is being spent and truly get to the depth of understanding what are your key contributions, what are the areas that will make an impact as you as a leader, as for the team, for your boss. Try to really understand your contributions. And that is a different perspective. You don't really step back and think. But this is very important to really think where your time is going. Is there a lot of waste? You cannot really buy time. And this book also encouraged me to do work differently, to do the most important thing first thing in the morning in large chunks of time. So that tip actually helped me get a lot of things done. And I'm working on priority set of things. And I highly, highly encourage getting this book and reading it. So it'll help you as a leader to be more effective by using some of these principles. You would learn about your contributions. You would learn about why it's important to focus on contributions, which are results that you do, right? So results, you'll find out, depends on your own effectiveness, your team's effectiveness, how relationships you've built with your colleagues, your boss, how deep is your understanding of your competition? Can you notice trends in your competition or your competitive landscape? And are you acting in ways that maximize your contributions? So overall, I'd give this rating of 5 on 5 for this book. Excellent book. Thanks, Brent, for referring me this book, and I highly, highly encourage you buying this book and reading it. And the author has done a fantastic job, and hope you like it. Thank you.